Alright, so we got some exciting news regarding Hytale. Hypixel Studios tweeted, Hytale share source, our plan. We're releasing the full server source, the protocol, and all Hytale assets, even the stuff that never shipped. It will be on GitHub with access model after Epic's Unreal Engine source. A valid game license and accepting the program terms will get you an invite to our GitHub org, where you can view, clone, and download the repo. Updates ship with every release and pre-release. You'll see a branch for each, push automatically to our C/CD pipeline. We strip individual commits and author data for two reasons: to protect the team's privacy and to keep the constant churn of our trunk-based workflow out of the public history. Next up, we publish the sources jar to Maven so you can browse the code right inside your IDE. Our contributions, we won't accept PRs yet, but there's a path to opening them up. Honestly, we don't have the capacity to review them without tanking our own productivity. And in the age of AI, we drown in volume. It's not that the contributors are bad, it's the sheer number. We spend years in open source, and nothing kills the passion faster than PRs that sit unanswered. That's how our repo turns toxic, and we won't do that to you. Keeping it semi public and license gated also helps us moderate and reduce spam access and keep our lawyer happy while still giving the community the ability to see and use the code with Hytale. Here's the plan. We'll start with an invite only contributor model for select community members. As that proves out, we'll promote the trusted ones to maintainers who can push PRs to the team. Once you have maintainers we trust, we'll open contributions to everyone, alongside a code of conduct. The legal framework was the hard part. We wanted to give you a maximum freedom inside the Hytale ecosystem while stopping competitors from copy pasting our code. It took far longer than it should have, but we're glad to ship it. This pulls the community out of the decompilation gray zone for both the developer experience and the legal side. And of course, the first comment is Simon showing a tweet from July 2025 saying, I would make some parts of the game shared source/open source potentially. It would be a community project. Someone asked, so how does this affect the normal player? Simon responded, from the normal player's POV, it means that some modders might be able to help us do performance patches, features, and much more. So basically, the Hytale team plans to release the full game server source code, networking protocol, and all its assets, including unused content, through a license-gated GitHub repository. So yeah, W Hytale, pretty cool. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.